Hello viewers, I hope you all will be fine today. I am here with a new project named CryptoStake. I will tell you in this regarding video about the features, the token and the roadmap as well as the team which are running the CryptoStake project. As you can see their website cryptostake.org, and here it is well written. You can just see this website and know about the CryptoStake. The CryptoStake token is the best ever token I have seen so far, as in the crypto world you can see in each and everything nowadays is increasing day by day due to the technology. It is the decentralized sports betting ecosystem. The ecosystem best is here of the CryptoStake. From here you can see their website. From here you can see their one pager as well as their audit, and the GitHub link is also there. Try to follow all these links and have a look to their white paper. It will give you much profit and as well as much benefits as well. Here you can watch a video about the CryptoStake that they had made and the project they are well runner. We will be talking more about how to buy the CryptoStake token. Here is a link to the CryptoStake token. By clicking on it, simply buy. Here will be another one. Put your name, username here, your email if you don't have any account, and put your BEP wallet 20 address as well as your password and create your account for the first time. If you are created already, you can just sign in instead by putting your username and your password by signing in. You will buy the CryptoStake token from there. It is very easy one, guys. I hope you will have to much profit, and it will give you much benefit in the present as well as in the coming days. So here we will be talking about the pre-sale starting in and the CryptoStake ecosystem. I already know about the decentralized gambling platform that players are playing the game and over the world, and they are betting over it, and they are playing gambling and earn more and more money through this. So CryptoStake can be any exchange that has the token which have hundreds of cryptocurrency, and these are exclusive token CryptoStake token. As well as you have already know about the American football like basketball and the boxing, like many other biggest projects. So this will help you a lot. Another one, I'll tell you more about the smart with CryptoStake. These all are the gaming platforms. You already know about the CryptoStake, that CryptoStake token is the best token, CST as we called. The best CryptoStake token is a digital currency. As you already know about the digital currency well, so that will be good if you know about the digital currency. And here the exchange, the transferring funds and the streamline will be discussed in the CryptoStake project. So here are the key features like it and efficiency, like transparency, their security and the trust are the features. They have probably the best efficiency with having much more transparency, as the trustable project we can see here having a security, top class security. So thank you for today's in the first part of the video about the CryptoStake. We will meet in the second part of the CryptoStake. Take care of yourself.